Salsa basic for absolute beginners. Let me explain you in a very easy and simple way. Anybody can do it. So I will ask Bailey to turn around. Now how to dance salsa. Put your feet together. Now soften your knee just a little bit. Now find your left leg. And now with the left leg, we're going to do a small step forward. 1. Then we return back. 2 and 3. We're going to bring our feet together. Let's do it again. So you have forward, back, together. And now with the timing, 1, 2, 3. Now from here, we're going to find our right leg. And now with the right leg, we're going to go backward. Same 3 steps. 1, return backward. 2, together 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Now let's combine those 2 steps together. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And notice I count 1, 2, 3, and then silent 4. So we hold 5, 6, 7, silent 8. Then we hold on 8. So in this position, we're going to spend just a little bit more time. So let's do it again, starting with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, some of the mistakes, what not to do. So number 1, try not to bounce. Try not to bounce too much when you're doing your salsa basic. Try to stay as flat as you can on the one level. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And number 2, advice. Do as small as possible steps. So try not to travel, always come back to that middle. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it with the music.
Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. La neta me ha ido mal y no